So here is the daily chart for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. I want to get this one updated as I've had some questions on it. Uh, Obviously everybody knows it's been kind of cruising along very nicely over the past, basically since the beginning of the year. And although today was kind of red, but looking at it, you can see by the lower wick here that it did finish up nicely. I think it was down like 140 at one point and closed down just at 89. So a nice little kind of afternoon comeback there. But I just want to go over some support levels. The resistance level is pretty evident. This line here is just the one I've drawn for my personal use, and just so you can see where that line's coming from. We got to squish up the chart quite a bit, but from way back here, the previous highs. So we've recovered from this whole disaster thing here. I think this was the last time that the Europe thing really kind of was scaring people or whatever, but finally got back to what I like to see. Who cares about Europe? We don't need them anyways, and things kind of got back to uptrending, which was encouraging to see. Nothing more frustrating than Europe dragging us down. But anyways, that's a whole other story. So things are looking better now, and that is where that resistance lines comes from. So as you can see, we're basically up to where we were way back when. But support-wise, kind of two key ones that I see. The first one being this gray line here, which is the 20-day simple moving average. Essentially, since the price broke above it back here on December 20th, I guess right there is the only time it's been touched. But you can see this is kind of the support level that's been guiding the price upwards. Right now that's valued at 12,711, but this is a moving average, so that price is going to be changing every day. But so we'll just call it 12,700. That'll be a nice little, hopefully, area of support. But if that one does not hold, then what I'm looking at is probably a pullback to right around the 12,500 area. So let me just change this to green to represent support. And I'm just simply getting that one from, if you look here, you can see it was a previous high, and then the price came down here and touched it again and bounced from it. So 12,500, and if that one can't hold, depending on where the 50-day simple moving average is at that point, this will be the next key level of support that we definitely want to see hold. Perfect couple examples being right here when the price broke above it. You can see there found support, then when it pulled back here found support. So if the 20-day can hold and then this 12,500 can hold, this is kind of the level where if the price starts to close below the 50-day, that's where something might be, that's definitely going to be a kink in the armor, best way to put it. So those will be the three key levels of support that I'll be watching, and that, at least in my view, carry the kind of importance going forward with the chart. And then obviously after this resistance, if the price can separate from it, I can be back to update that. But for the time being, and after seeing this candle here, I think we'll probably get some sort of pullback like this, so I wanted to get some support levels mapped out. So if you do have any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, no strings attached. We've been making some good money together, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekends.